Hi, I'm Jane Hanford, the Better Home Professor. The new EdenPURE Gen70 personal heater and cooler is super compact. It uses NASA space station technology. It puts out 70% more heat and uses 58% less energy than big box heaters 20 times its size. People that have a Gen70 rave about it.
We've had the original EdenPURE big box heater for 15 years. It saved us a lot of money on our heating bills. But the EdenPURE new high-tech Gen 70 is going to save us a lot more money because it puts out a lot more heat and uses a lot less energy.
It was hard to move the big box heater. I can take the Gen 70 anywhere and be toasty warm. To my living room, kitchen, laundry room, and office.
Get the EdenPURE Gen70 heater for only $129 for one, $119 each for two, or $99 each for three or more.